The model has become the cornerstone to the engineering and manufacturing process, especially for MBE initiatives. Now you are able to design a CAD model that is both representative of the geometry, but also houses the manufacturing information. The model will be the tool that allows you to communicate your designs to different departments, divisions, suppliers, customers, and for archival. But even with all the information contained inside the CAD model, there can be a disconnect from what was designed to what is manufactured. One of the most common causes of this disconnect is the miscommunication of the actual CAD model and its information. Let's take a look at several of these communication issues. Typically, when sending the CAD model, there are three options: sending an original file, a CAD to CAD translation, or the most common, sending a neutral CAD format. There can be issues with geometry and faces, or even product manufacturing information, and even elements that are not visible to the eye. All of this creates a lot of waste going back and forth with revisions. Then there are instances where too much information is sent, like when sending models to FEA. Sometimes these models are too large to be processed quickly and accurately. We live in a world that requires us to share information with our customers and suppliers. Sending CAD models often open companies to intellectual property theft by sharing too much information. Typically, errors and issues don't point themselves out like you see. And though these errors seem small, they can be costly, time-consuming, and create lots of waste. So what can you do about it? Elysium has the tools that create strong connections to help you better communicate your CAD model. Here are several of Elysium's CAD tools. Let's look at Elysium's translation. Elysium Translation Solution is the most accurate, most reliable, and is built for value. Elysium supports all major CAD platforms. Here's a look at Elysium's Direct Translator. Simply right-click on the file you want to translate and go down to Elysium. Next you'll be prompted with the options and elements to translate, and can easily translate a high-fidelity model. A few moments later you'll have the translated file and a detailed report telling you of the accuracy. Elysium offers one of the most intuitive CAD healing solutions. This expert healing can be automated or interactive depending on the need. Here's a look at Elysium's CAD Doctor. The model shown has many topology issues that can cause problems downstream. CAD Doctor also allows you to isolate elements to get a better view of the problematic area. Once the healing is complete, you'll have a usable and consumable model. If you are moving one CAD platform to another, Elysium has a solution to help you move features and drawings. Elysium's CADfeature can completely migrate from one CAD platform to another. CADfeature will capture what the model looked like from its original CAD platform, logging all the features and sketches. Now your model will be rebuilt into its targeted CAD platform. It creates it in a way that allows you to edit and modify the model. A comprehensive instant QA report ensures that you know the results and success of your data. Product data quality check will make sure models are consumable, shareable, and manufacturable. So you can go from design to manufacturing to production. PDQ looks at many different elements to make sure you are within the threshold. This will give you an accurate and reliable model. So your data will meet customer requirements and or an industry standard. Elysium simplification tool allows you to easily simplify your CAD models for sharing. which will increase your speed, increase your IP protection, and gain efficiencies for better results. Remove features with ease, remove fillets and chamfers, remove holes, remove projections, remove faces, remove grooves, remove only what you need to. Solid enveloping will allow you to wrap parts and assemblies, which will increase your speed, increase your IP protection, reduce file size, claim space for packaging, for large assemblies, and for analysis. In CADfeature, you can easily take complicated assemblies and remove the internals and the intellectual components. This will leave you with a surface or a complete solid. Elysium's validation is a key to understanding your CAD data. Know the information, know the differences, know the similarities. Know it inside and out. You can compare translations, engineering change orders, version upgrades, and for archival. Here's a look at Elysium 3D PDF validation report. You have your source in the left window and your target in the right. You can detect and isolate differences. As you can see, Elysium offers many different solutions to help you communicate your CAD model. At the heart of our solutions is interoperability, which allows your models to be accurate and exchangeable. So when you communicate your model, you can be confident that what you see is what they get. Not only is Elysium solutions accurate, they can also be automated and integrated into your systems. And all of these solutions can be batched for large volume. All of Elysium solutions work together to give you a shareable and consumable model. We give you the tools for whatever model-based initiative you are trying to achieve, so we can give you model-based excellence. Find out more at www.elysium-global.com.